Hello, and welcome to the Marketing Pro tutorial on how to send a message from the message library. This is going to be a simple tutorial that is going to show you basically how to use our system on an approved message. When you log into your account, you should be taking a look here at the dashboard. If not, that's okay. It's not going to matter. Where we're really going to want to head is over here under Message Library. Go ahead and click right there on Message Library, and a new menu will appear. In that new menu, you'll see your weekly, your monthly, your quarterly, your retirement newsletters, and your e-newsletters as well, already up there for a quick link. Today, instead of browsing the messages, we're just going to send the weekly economic update. So I've clicked here on the weekly economic update, and I'm going to pull up the most recent one as of the filming of this video, which is July 22nd. Now, I'm using a non-broker-dealer account, meaning I do not have compliance attached. If your compliance is attached, over here will be a section that will say approved or not approved. Just so you know, the instructions that we're going through now are only going to work on approved messages. Once I select the message that I like and I pull it up, I'm going to scroll to the very bottom of the page. Here I will get our buttons here that will help us send this out. First, and you're always going to have to do this, you're going to have to check the box above the buttons to make them active. Most of the time it just says, I understand this document has been not approved, or it will say, I agree to the terms that my compliance has put forth. Once you've checked the box, you're going to click Send to Contacts as email, and a message builder will open up. If you don't get the message builder, it could mean that you're using an older internet service or you have pop-up blockers. Marketing Pro works best with Chrome and Firefox, and you're going to want to make sure that those ad blockers or pop-up blockers are disabled when using Marketing Pro. Once your message builder is pulled up, you get a look at your message here. Over on the left-hand side, if you've got multiple email templates, you can actually choose the email template from there that you'd like to add to your message. All you have to do is hit the change button here on the left-hand side in order to update the email template. Now, we're going to add the people that we'd like to send this to. Normally, if it's only one or two, you could just type their name in the box, but if you're looking to add multiple people or a group, you're actually going to click on the box that says to, the little gray box there. Go ahead and click on the to box, and that will take us to your message recipients list. Here, you can hold your control key down on your keyboard and pick multiple people if you'd like, or you can simply go to the hyperlink that says My Groups. Once you find your groups, you can choose multiple groups again by holding down the control key on your keyboard and hitting Add. Once you've hit Add, they will move over onto the right-hand side. Everyone currently on the right-hand side are the ones who are going to get the email, as long, of course, as they have an email in the system. Go ahead and hit back to email once you've done that, and you'll see all of your contacts up here. If you scroll down, I'd just like to point out that right here, this box is telling you that any merge term inside your message is going to automatically be filled in by us. So for instance, you'll see a yellow box around representative name in this example. That means our system will fill this in once it goes to your clients. You will not see this filled in before you hit send. All of that will also be filled in, email disclosures, etc. Now let's say that you wanted to add a message to the top of this. You liked it, but you wanted to say something else. Simply hit Edit in the upper right-hand corner. If you have a broker-dealer attached to your system, a pop-up will appear that says you are disassociating this from your broker-dealer approved material. All that means is whatever message you're about to type into your new email is going to get looked at by your compliance before it goes to your clients. So if this is a time-sensitive piece, you do not want to add a message depending on how quickly your broker-dealer can get and approve it. Here, once you're done, you just click on the body of the email, make your, this is my message, and you're going to hit Preview Changes. Once you hit Preview Changes, you can see the email again. Everything is still ready to go, ready to fill in. And last but not least, if you don't want to send this as quickly as possible, we do have a calendar over here right above the message on the right-hand side. If you select that, you can actually choose the date you'd like this to go out. Once you're done, you're going to hit send in the upper right-hand corner. But know this, you are not done. A final confirmation will pop up that says, yes, it's ready to send. You click on that, and you may get one final screen. This final screen will alert you that you maybe don't have a few emails associated with the people in your groups or the people you're trying to send to. You must remove these contacts from this message in order to get your final confirmation page. The reason I point this out is not because you're going to delete them from the system permanently. All you're doing is removing them from this message at this time. Hit remove these contacts. It will say a little pop-up that says this will remove all contacts, and then send your message. Hit OK. Then you will get your final confirmation page. If you go through all of those processes and you do not see the final confirmation, you have not sent your message. If you want to make sure you did it correctly, once you get back to your homepage, you can click on Reports on the left-hand side and go to Pending Messages. This is a good place to go if you send something by accident. It could take a few minutes for it to pop up here, but you will be able to cancel the message in the pending folder once it lands here. As you can see, I don't have anything yet because it does take a few minutes for it to finally appear. I know it's going to appear because we did get our confirmation page. Once it does, you can click on it and cancel it if you need to. I hope that this tutorial was helpful on figuring out how to send a message from the Marketing Pro. The same rules apply for any approved message in the system. It doesn't just have to be the weekly, it could be any message in the library, especially the ones that you're browsing for. So feel free to get in there, and if you have any questions, give us a call back at 866-254-6035 or send an email to support@marketing.pro. We are here to help from 7 to 4 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, Monday through Friday. Look forward to hearing from you on this and any other issues you encounter with the Marketing Pro system. We can't thank you enough for joining us and for using our system, and we hope you have a great day.